Do you use a wooden chopping board? Wood cutting boards should always be hand washed to prevent cracking, splitting, or warping. You should never put them in your dishwasher or leave them soaking in water for too long. It's recommended to have at least 2 chopping boards, one for raw meat and another one for ready-to-eat food like veggies and fruits to avoid cross-contamination. Hi, I'm Michelle and I'd like to welcome you to The Cleaning Habit. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so you'll know if we have new videos for you.
The materials we need are hot water, dish soap, coconut oil, salt, vinegar, lemon, sponge, microfiber cleaning cloth, and baking soda. Clean wood cutting boards with hot water and dish soap. Scrub both sides. Focus on areas that have more scratches or crevices. For this step, I use the microfiber cloth side of our eco-friendly antibacterial cloth sponge. To deep clean your wooden chopping board, sprinkle it with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, and scrub with 1/2 of fresh lemon. Dry with a microfiber cleaning cloth. If there are still lingering odors, spray with vinegar and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Rinse and dry with a cloth. Dry with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Apply a bit of coconut oil onto the cloth to condition the board. You can do this step every 2 to 4 weeks. But remember to wash your board after each use.
I hope we were able to help you clean your wooden chopping board today. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and for more cleaning tips, follow us on our Facebook page or visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!